हेलो गाइस व्हाट्स अप वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। आज की वीडियो में हम सीखेंगे गाइस बहुत ही सिंपल कि हर रोज़ एवरीडे वाला बेस कैसे करना है। एज यू कैन सी ऑफ द कैमरा हमने हमारी फ्रेंड की आईब्रोज कर दी है। यूजिंग अ टू फेस प्राइमर आई एम जस्ट प्राइमिंग हर स्किन। ऑफ द फेस ही हमने ऑफ द कैमरा ही हमने स्किन बहुत अच्छे से मॉइस्चराइज करी है। बिकॉज इट्स विंटर्स यू शुड डेफिनेटली अप्लाई सम मॉइस्चराइजर। This primer is actually very good, guys, so you can definitely give it a try. And oh my god, what's that on the screen? Subscribe, like, comment. So ab to karna hi padega, guys. So please do that. Also, guys, this is our friend in the camera. You can see that I am applying some orange corrector wherever she has a darkness. You can do that directly with the product. I like doing it with the brush. I'm just giving some coverage जहाँ पे भी darkness है. Using this RCMA palette, I am just gonna conceal the orangeness now. So you can see this shade is it's not exactly her skin tone, actually it's just a bit darker. So ये हमारा orange character बहुत ही अच्छे से conceal करेगा. Again, I am taking a brush. You can take your fingers, you can take your beauty blender, however you guys are comfortable. Guys, just see one thing that how easily it's getting blended in. बहुत अलग से ये ऊपर skin में नहीं दिख रहा है. And now I'm taking a beauty blender and just making sure it's blended in. Also guys, just a side note, हम किसी भी client के इतना crazy foundation नहीं लगाते हैं. We were shooting a video, a reel, so उसके लिए हमने थोड़ा ज़्यादा foundation लगाया है. The foundation we are using is Dior. एंड आप देखना इवन तो हमने फाउंडेशन ज़्यादा लगाया है फिर भी कितना अच्छा मैच है, ये कितना अच्छा फाउंडेशन है. जस्ट ब्लेंड्स इन सुपर इजली. जस्ट वांट टू शो यू दैट वी आर शूटिंग सम रील, सो you will see the stone बीच बीच में. So I purposely didn't cut it because I wanted you to know कि what all goes behind the video. Now guys, I didn't cut any part of the blending and of the foundation. Just see how easy it is to blend this foundation. डैब 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 बहुत लोग क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं कि हमें कैसे पता चलेगा फाउंडेशन ब्लेंड हो गया या नहीं. सो गाइस जस्ट ब्लेंड. अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट है कि ये अभी तक ब्लेंड नहीं हुआ है, सो गिव इट एक्स्ट्रा 1 minute एंड ब्लेंड इट इन. सो इट इज़ इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. द फाउंडेशन एक्चुअली लुक्स लाइक अ स्किन. And now I'm using my all-time favorite concealer, which is Jouer. And this is the mistake we see, guys. बहुत बार हम क्या करते हैं, पूरा triangle बना देते हैं under the eye, जो कि हमें नहीं करना है. You just have to apply this concealer जहाँ पे भी आपकी darkness है. So I'm applying it on inner corner, on the inner corner, and out on the outer corner. Using a brush or a beauty blender, however you are comfortable. I am applying this. I am blending this concealer. My aim was also to kind of lift her face using the concealer, so that is why I am blending it in a very like precision. Also, guys, I don't know if you have noticed, this friend of ours, her name is Shonali, and her left side of the face is kind of drooping down, and the right side is kind of going up. वो पहले से ही ऐसा है, so just we'll see how we can make it kind of even. Same concealer trick I'm doing on the other side, और इसकी मैंने speed टेस्ट करी है because we have already seen how we blended it in, right? I personally like using a I personally like using a brush to blend. After that, I just go over the beauty blender. And now, guys, I'm just using Hourglass loose powder to set the concealer in place. Using a this is rather an eyeshadow brush that I am using. और आप देख सकते हो बहुत ही light layer powder की मैं लगा रहा हूँ अभी के लिए. I will also bake her face because she does get oily बहुत ही ज़्यादा, और हमारे फ्रेंड की बहुत ही ज़्यादा creases भी आती हैं. So for that I will bake, but just see how I'll do that. So guys, अभी भी you can see that I am going with the powder, but इतनी ज़्यादा light layer I am doing powder की कि आपको दिख भी नहीं रही है. I'm just really setting the product right where it is. Then I am bronzing her face using Made by Mitchell. I love this product. Literally, I love this product. हमने अभी अभी मंगवाया था और ये ख़त्म होने वाला है. And I don't know what we'll do for our brides. I really took her nose contour by my heart, and you'll see how seriously dedication से मैंने इसका nose blend करा है. So just I'm taking a angle brush, and because it is a cream contour that I am using, so I am drawing two lines. And I also took the same cream contour on under her eyebrows, because you'll see in the video this trick will really lift your face. Doing the same on the another side and just taking it out towards the temples. Guys, I wanted to show you that how easy it is to blend this product. अगर आपके पास कोई डार्कर, अगर आपके पास ये प्रोडक्ट नहीं है, you can take any darker contour, any darker foundation, anything. And I'm taking a very small brush because I don't want this product to move a lot. मैं चाहता हूँ जहाँ पे मैंने लगाया है उसकी कवरेज वहीं पर आए. यूजुअली गाइस हम ये वाली गलती कर देते हैं, नोज कॉन्टूर प्रोडक्ट प्लेसमेंट बहुत अच्छे से करते हैं, पर ब्लेंड करते हुए हम प्रोडक्ट ऑल ओवर द प्लेस ले जाते हैं. एज यू कैन सी व्हाइल आई एम ब्लेंडिंग द क्रीम product, I am not taking this cream on the center, on the bridge of her nose. No, I am just blending where the product is. उसके बाद I am taking the same product, blending it, जो हमने ऊपर आइस पे लगाया है उसी को blend कर रहा हूँ. बहुत ज़्यादा मेजर डिफरेंस तो नहीं आएगा गाइज, बट एज यू कैन सी ऊपर आइज में जहाँ पे हमने कॉन्टूर लगाया था, बहुत ही एक स्नैच लिफ्टेड एक शैडो वहाँ पे आ रही है. नाउ टू हाईलाइट, नाउ टू कॉन्टूर हर नोज इवन बेटर, आई एम जस्ट ऑन द ब्रिज ऑफ हर नोज, थोड़ा सा लाइटर कंसीलर लेके आई एम ब्लेंडिंग इट इन. एंड कैन यू सी हर नोज ऑलरेडी लुक्स सो थिन. Now going to the blush, my favorite blush of all time. It is discontinued. I am sorry you will not be able to buy it, but this is by YBP Cosmetics. I love the skin tone of it. It is by the name of Witch, but I'm so sorry you'll not be able to buy. And guys, as you can see, I am applying this blush only on the outer. I'm not bringing it towards the inside of her face. I am not at all taking it towards the apple of the face. No, just on the outer face and blend and blend. Now guys, let's learn how to bake. I do not recommend to take a damn beauty blender and blend. What I recommend instead is to take a powder puff like this, take your favorite loose powder, which is not too light, it should be translucent, and then place it wherever you think you can get oily or wherever you want to set the layer, as I am doing in the video. This thing that I am doing is known as reverse contour. It will really chisel down your face. I really kept this product, I really kept the baking only for let's say 1 minute, and now using any brush, any detailed brush, again this is an eyeshadow brush, so I am just taking out the baking, the extra loose powder. अगर आपके भी बहुत ज़्यादा स्माइल लाइंस पड़ जाती हैं गाइस, सो ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज़ लाइक शी इज़ डूइंग, मेक अ फेस लाइक दैट, ब्लो योर फेस with your finger or beauty blender, blend your product and apply some powder there. Do not apply too much of product because it will just cake up everything. Now that we have powdered her face, I am taking the blush. This is by Makeup Forever. I know अभी बहुत एक ही तरह पैच लग रहा है, बट आई वॉन्ट अ डिटेल्ड एप्लीकेशन. सो सी, अगर आपका भी ऐसे पैच बन जाता है आगे, you'll be able to see how to blend it in. After that, I am taking a bigger blush brush and just blending in the blush everywhere. So now what I am doing is I am blending in the contour and the blush. And now you can take any face mist, apply it on your face or your beauty blender and blend all the powders you have. इससे आपके face में बहुत ज़्यादा dewiness आएगी and it will look very like fresh. And this is how we do the base even on our clients. How easy was it? If you want to know how to do this eyes, we'll be posting a tutorial soon. Till then, bye bye.